Hello, my name is Luther Ragsdale. Hey, I want to personally invite you to my upcoming workshop. Listen, you guys, you do not want to miss this. We have some great information coming at you. It's certified by the Georgia Real Estate Commission, so you will receive CE credits for attending this powerful training. Come on down, register now. You can go to my website, lutherragsdale.com or platinumrealestate.com. Come on down, join me for my upcoming workshop. Would love to see you there.